Oh, fuck this. Yeah, sounds fun. Hey guys, I'm Johnny FD, and I've now been in Sri Lanka for almost 3 months, and I've traveled all around before getting locked down for the 2020 coronavirus. But let me show you everything that I've done all around the country since then and what Sri Lanka is like. So when there isn't a pandemic and a curfew going on, there's a lot happening. Lots of expats, lots of backpackers, lots of travelers, lots of surfers that meet up, and there's weekly events, fun parties, and of course surfing. Hey guys, I'm Johnny FD, and I'm at my favorite surf beach here in Sri Lanka. It's called Midigama. During the day, this is a pretty quiet beach, but right now, if you hear the music, there's a random party on the beach. The parties are a ton of fun, but what I really love about Sri Lanka is being able to go places every weekend and go on different trips. So here's our Jeeps. These are these Indian Range Rovers called the Barellos. Here's our guide.
Hi.
How's it going? We got the crew here, Safari crew. And we got so many people. We got a second truck filled up. This looks like a Range Rover Defender. Sure it's not. Hey guys, let's see some animals.
Maybe you can make a selfie from the front.
Will you book with a taxi?
So one of the great things about Sri Lanka is how close everything is. Within a few hours over the weekend, we can go on a trip. This time was to Yala National Park for safari. Spotted deer. This ride is quite bumpy. Got some peacocks.
So that's the female, the ugly one?
Yeah. The females don't have
They don't have
the
nice
beautiful
color.
bag.
Show me. Oh, took a fall there. Female? Yeah. Not one. Oh.
Can't really see it, but there's a crocodile with its mouth open right here.
Croc.
Got these beautiful shots here. Birds everywhere. Here in the beach. There's a peacock too. Oh, we got some elephants. Oh, it's a big one right there.
Oh yeah, there's one hiding there. Where?
See the mama elephant, two baby elephants, and a bunch of deer.
So many. I missed that.
Oh my god. Those warthogs running.
Yeah, I think I can spear one of those things.
Wild boars.
Do you reckon you could javelin one?
Look at this convoy. Wow. Sunset. So that's it for Yala National Park. I've also been at Udawalaway last year, and they're both very similar. Yala's a bit bigger, some more jeeps, but animal-wise, they're very similar. But really, to get the most out of the experience, you'd want to bring a camera with the big zoom lens. Up next is the rainforest. All right, so guys, we are in, what's this place called?
Sinharaya.
Singhaya Rainforest. Sinharaja. It's hard to say, but really, really cool. This is our guide, and he just found a green pit viper for us. Well, I'll just show it to you guys. It's that video. Is it ready for me? Oh my god. That's so cool. It's poisonous as well. It's a tiger lizard. Check out this kangaroo lizard. How cool is this guy?
Only ground inside, the main route is nothing. Main route is very short. Side route is a long way, go back to the dance. Main route is very short.
Wow, look at these trees. They're huge. There's so much jungle around us.
This short, yeah.
Look at this big ass wood spider. Oh my god, it's so big. I don't know if you guys can see how big this thing is. Oh, what are we looking at?
You see the two trees? And then on the floor. Two trees, right side the tree, on the floor.
Oh wow.
Big one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Ooh. I can't see it.
Very green.
Thumbs nose lizard, huh?
Comes now.
Jungle calisthenics. This local waterfall everyone's swimming. You got it. Oh my god. Look at this giant squirrel. Look at that tail.
Wow. Why does it so long takes so long to focus? This lens is...
You need to zoom it. A scorpion.
Yeah.
So in this, it's a storage. We're gonna find Mark.
With gold and
Let's see what's dirty.
diamonds.
Some people are looking for money, yeah.
Yeah.
Wish it was that easy. Be all over it.
Not yet.
It's 1000 fusler.
1000 fusler.
1000 fusler.
Millipede.
1000 ben. Cirka norska.
Oh my god, so nasty.
No, it's not poisonous, huh?
Just a little bit.
But it's very tense right now. We need to
Really?
Fine and slender. Oh, small as snake. Not
It's long
poison.
though.
Oh,
Not
dude,
poison?
that thing was-
So I can take it?
Yeah.
Like with my hands?
You want to?
And it's
Family Latin name Ahatulana Sutta. It's not small, bigger one, 1.5 meter.
Oh, wow.
Don't close to your eyes, okay?
Why?
Sometimes attack eyes.
Really?
Yeah.
So close eyes or don't close eyes?
Don't close.
But if I close it, it doesn't attack my eye. Is it a video?
Yes.
Look how cool this thing is.
That is your face right now. What?
Body.
Just put it back.
Every little micro muscle must use to do that.
Crazy.
camouflage.
Hmm?
They are camouflage. It's not small one, bigger one, 1.5 meters.
Goodbye, snakey snake.
Yeah, it's different. Way different, man. And the best part,
What are you doing?
I was gonna say, the best part about the Mediterranean is all.
Crab.
Yay. Let's make sure I'm not the camera.
And that's it for Singhala. The rainforest is really beautiful, and it was really nice to stay the weekend there, spend the night, and go on 2 different hikes. Then it was back to Widigama, where we went to go visit a local snake farm. That was really a cool experience, and that's the last thing we did before the lockdown started.
Oh, this.
Selfie.
Now it's interesting.
Whoa!
Is it a yawn? Whoa.
Oh, dude, you think
It's
it's another
actually
snake?
checking the phone. That's so cool.
Then smell a check, then recognizing these are not the mouse, these are not the frogs. They're not attack, I'm going.
I hope you enjoyed my travel videos as much as I enjoyed making them. Check out Sri Lanka and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Leave a comment, say hello, tell me what your favorite thing was about this trip to Sri Lanka and where you want to visit next.